shows up.
You look sick with that. Alright, so we're heading to our friend Cody's house. This guy's getting some gas. Gotta go pick up the tractor, finish up the track, and then time to go ride with the boys for the day.
Help me real quick, would you?
I can't, I'm the vlog guy.
Fuck!
I mean, the track's shaping up pretty good right now. It used to look like this. Take off that layer, got some fresh dirt. It boots you, that's for sure. No big deal, just some glass. Didn't know we're down at MMX. Hey, you wanted a vlog, here you go.
Hey, can I be in the vlog? No, you're not allowed to be in the vlog. You have to have glasses like
Give me a
these.
full interview.
I don't want an interview. I know I'm gonna break both my ankles on that jump probably. So from there on, with my cheater tire, that's a gummy. Yep. Set it for the woods. I need a flathead to click in my clickers a little bit because I'm probably gonna break something.
What do you think?
I think you guys got it. It's an easy jump.
Now go record your bike.
Yeah. Apparently this is what happens when the fucking camera guy rides. Lost about 70% of my spokes. Triple clamps are done. I don't even want to see my subframe. Nice. Yeah, I say straight. It boots you, that's for sure.
It boots you, that's for sure.
Want to explain what happened?
With what? I'm not an explainer. I get awkward in front of a camera. I don't know what to do. I lock up.
What do you think, Cole?
I'm out here thinking it's a little bit too mellow for me. You know, there's a couple jumps out here that they're just not even jumps, they're really just rollers. And I don't know, I might have to go to Brian Deegan's house, hit some of their FMX ramp kind of stuff, you know? How you feeling?
Hurt!
We ain't going nowhere. We can't be stopped now. This rap shit. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. We can't be stopped now. 'Cause this rap shit for life.
Back then, I had a dream. I get this money, man. I know my life will change. Just need 100 grand. Back then, I had a dream. I get this money, man. I know my life will change. Just need 100 grand. Yeah. Back when I first made 100 grand. Yeah, back when I first made a. Yeah, back when I first made 100 grand. Yeah, back when I first made 100 grand. Thought I was a shit.